Park lit today. There you go.
Yeah, part is lit, bro.
Come on.
Yeah, the boss come on late. The boss come on late. Late start, late start.
This man, he can't sleep. Hold it. All right.
Big turnout in Smokey Park. Bragging rights.
What's the next race, Adam? Sanjay. Gentlemen, good morning. It's a pleasure being here at Smokey Park this morning. It's the first time for me here in Smokey Park, and I would like to thank all you guys who participated in today. I would like to say a special thanks to Dave, Anil, Alim.
Alim is lit.
Khan, Sanjay, and the other guys who know me well from Guyana. So I would like to also thank all those who make this event possible. Mr. Yellowman, Fario, and some other guys, numerous to mention. Bushki, who else? Whoever can remember. Everybody, I want to say thank you for supporting this event. It's one event that the group from Guyana, Board and Restless, has sponsored. These trophies is back from Guyana. So, gentlemen, I'm going to call your name out on the first race today. Please come forward to pick up your trophy from Guyana. The first winner today was Jenny. Yeah, Jenny.
Wrong applause.
Congratulations.
Nice race.
Yeah. Let me get a picture with you there.
All right, good. Big up, Uncle Danny. Nice race.
Today, Imran. For all those who know Imran, they might say he's run from the park. He's racing. The man prove himself today, man. I wait for about the Restless to come and present this one. Imran, congrats, brother.
All right, watch. Let me get a picture there, boy.
Good. Yellow man, boy. Back from Guyana again, boy.
Third race. The big yellow.
There you go.
Watch it.
Not man, boy. Sanjay.
Fourth race.
And I remember from Board and Restless. All right, Sanjay.
Watch there, boy.
You did sports a long time, boy. Good. And the last winner, Anil Barber, by all the popular guys. Anil.
Board and the Restless. Dominate. Let's go.
No kissing. All right.
Good.
Thank you, guys. We have some refreshments here. We'll be having some snacks in a short while.
Let me get a picture with all the winners.
All the winners.
All the winners. Yeah,
All the winners, please step up.
All the winners.
Yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next guy.
One I pull in the belly. So
I pull in the belly.
I can't believe it.
there gonna be one big belly man alone. Nice.
Champion. Nice.
Thank you, guys. Refreshment, bye. Wait for the snacks. Not coming there for a little delay.
Dave versus Danny.
One.
Imran versus Mark. Hey Mark, we're not put on the board, boy.
1, 2, 3. There we go. Yeah, man, that's right. Scary!
Sudin versus Yellow Man.
1.
Tony versus Tattoo Man.
One.
Alright? Yeah.
Bushki versus Anil.
One. Two. Three.
Watching.